What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Want to give you guys some huge news in the Coinbase versus SEC. In the Coinbase versus SEC legal fight here. There was a big organization that is backing Coinbase, and that is the Chamber of Commerce. Anybody who doesn't know anything about the Chamber of Commerce, supports businesses, small businesses, large businesses, business development. They are a huge lobbying firm in Washington. So they have a lot of pull in what goes on in Washington because they basically have a lot of dollars to contribute to people's campaigns. And I have on the screen the actual brief that that the Chamber of Commerce sent to the judge and to the lawyers as well, as they're briefing, they're briefing to the court. So what I want to do is I want to go over with you 4 points that they made in this briefing, 4 argument points that they made. I'll leave the link to this complete brief in the description. I'm not going to read it all to you because it's a very long document and you guys wouldn't be around to the end. So I just want to give you the 4 big points that they made here. The first point was, I'm looking down because I'm reading my notes here. Regulatory uncertainty is killing innovation in the United States was their first point, and the SEC is destabilizing the digital currency, the currency markets and environment right now, with how they're handling the security issue. And the SEC is in violation of the constitutional due process and fair notice rights under the Constitution. And here is where I think is the biggest point and the biggest point that the Chamber of Commerce really drilled home, and is really going to be something that the judge is really going to look at. And it says the SEC's actions are not just harmful, not just harmful policy, but they are unlawful. So basically what the Chamber of Commerce is saying is that the SEC is breaking the law on how they are regulating digital assets. So huge briefing from a huge organization in Washington backing Coinbase's lawsuit against the SEC. I expect more and more of these briefings to come through. I've been hanging on to this document for about 5 days now because I just wanted to read through it all and make sure that I was hitting on the key points in there. But yeah, go ahead and read it. But the Chamber of Commerce definitely is saying that, that the SEC, their regulatory uncertainty is killing the innovation of the United States. The SEC is destabilizing the digital currency market with their policies. The SEC is in violation of the Constitution and due process and fair notice. And also that the SEC is breaking the law with how they are actually rolling out their regulations of digital currency. And keep in mind, the Chamber of Commerce, I don't believe, wrote a briefing for XRP and Ripple, guys. So this is actually huge. If they did, I'm unaware of it. But this is actually huge because the Chamber of Commerce is a huge lobbying organization in DC, and this will hold a ton of weight. Expect to see more of these briefings come through. We'll bring them to you as they come. Go ahead and like this channel. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video out. Go ahead and hit that sub button. It's free for you, means a lot for me. Appreciate it. I'll get at you guys later when there's more news. Everybody have a great day.